Hello.
No.
We're on our way to church.
No, they say
I decided to
they
do a
say anything
vlog.
about corgis. Corgis are not that smart. Well, corgis are smart, but not that smart.
Rachel,
As poodles.
this
Mommy,
is a vlog for my YouTube channel.
is this true?
Say hi.
Poodles and German
Don't wanna
Shepherds
be on
are the
YouTube?
smartest dogs in the world.
Do you want to be on YouTube, Becca?
That's what it said on the computer. Well,
Give me
I
a kiss.
believe them, and I know it's true.
What's wrong with you?
Believe who?
What's wrong with you?
I got a YouTube
That poodles and poodles and
And corgis?
not corgis. Poodles.
I need
and
Wi-Fi though, so.
German Shepherds are the smartest dogs in
think.
the world, not corgis.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure I
Really?
do.
Well, you don't have Wi-Fi.
So I'll upload when I get home.
Corgi face.
I kiss the butt.
When you come connect to the church's Wi-Fi.
That's true.
Kiss the butt of corgi butt.
No, you want to be on YouTube?
What?
You want to be on YouTube? Hi! What about you, Rookie? No!
No, Luke. She's actually uploading it to YouTube for real. Are you?
Yeah. So be nice.
Hi, what's up?
Fortnite forever. Wait, Sarah, move it down. I can't. Fortnite forever.
No.
My gosh, ladies. My gosh. Sarah, what
How
are you gonna make
how
how
much
much likers do you
dog
have?
I already named it.
How much
Fortnite
likers
sucks?
do you have?
No, purple corgis.
Purple corgis. Wait, that's your channel? Wait,
that's my
how
channel.
much likers do you have?
Fortnite forever.
Probably like one or two.
Sarah,
I don't know.
You
I haven't
want
checked.
some
I haven't
quack
checked
guys?
yet.
I don't have quack.
Guess what my channel's gonna be? Can you make me a channel?
You have to do it yourself on your tablet. I'll help you. Becca, if you get your tablet, I'll help you.
You have to make your own.
I have a broken phone.
I already made mine.
doesn't even work.
I'm gonna do
It's a
awesome
flip
rules.
phone.
No, you should do awesome.
No one
rules.
uses them anymore.
But I guess what?
I don't like the flip phone.
Mine's gonna
I don't
be,
like the flip phone.
Mine's gonna be moose.
Okay.
Hello.
You already
Say
said hi.
hi to doggy.
They saw the doggy already.
Minecraft. That's moose.
Talk
I'm
about
gonna
why
be-
we
I'm
like to
gonna
go
be
to church.
moose boy.
We're going to church and we're having breakfast there.
What about,
Now,
Yeah,
how about
we
09
haven't
shark?
eaten yet.
09 shark.
what about mouse?
Yeah.
Now, how about
You go to
how about 09 shark
Yeah.
boy? Awesome.
Yesterday was my birthday.
How about that? How about 09 awesome? 09 awesome.
Explain it.
So this is Lookie's YouTube channel name. 09 awesome, and mine is Moose Boy.
You want to
Mouse rat.
Oh yeah, like puppies. Look, yours is
Show me doll. I can see what happens. See if people recognize it.
Okay.
These people are crazy. Oh my gosh, get out of my
Yeah.
face. I already have a video up.
Really?
Yeah, it's called Seashell Project Part 2.
It was an
Part
accident.
one is on Scolin's channel.
You should have no birthday.
It was an accident.
Why am I was bleeding right now? Would you be happy then?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't mean you have to. Doesn't mean you have to smack it in my face.
That was an accident.
I don't care if it's accident or not. It's not.
Temper tantrum.
It's fine. Ignore.
I don't care about you.
That's enough.
We're going to try to keep the mood happy.
I want to show you the window. I want to show you what outside right now. He's outside.
We have stickers on our window. Don't judge us.
That was from Rachel and Luke. Hello. What
Hey,
is
look.
Rachel?
Here. See, it's raining.
How did you get it on YouTube? She got one video up already.
Sarah,
What?
where does Go and live?
Well, Mama,
Yeah.
you'd have to go down by the old firehouse and like drive all the way down.
Yeah.
But that was when I started paying attention, so I don't know.
Ooh, look at that.
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
Firehouse.
Some like a bit past the old firehouse.
What old firehouse?
The other one.
Bray.
What?
The substation?
Further down Susquehanna Road.
Yeah.
So she lives in Drescher.
Wait for me.
Right?
Sarah,
Yeah.
do not post this on YouTube. Why not? Sarah, why are you going to edit the dog out? No, I don't
at the beginning where it's just the dog. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because that's annoying.
No.
There.
But
Next
then,
time, Rachel. Rachel,
No.
next time, Rachel. Don't act like you're just making a video for us. We're gonna become a vlog family, and that means that you have to act normal on the camera, not all special.
I need to tell you. No, it's a secret.
I'm sorry, the video's gonna hear it anyway.
Storehouse.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me,
I know
Sarah.
what you're talking about.
Sarah,
That's so
do
good.
not post
Like a spring house.
this on YouTube.
Like every
Do
video.
not post
It
it.
already is
getting posted on YouTube.
For sale?
Too bad.
Every video.
I don't want to buy it. I want to buy a house.
I do not want
I want to buy a
to
house.
everybody
That
to
house that-
see my secret.
Remember the fence that?
Okay, so what
house
she
where we
wanted
had
me
a play date
to, what
at?
she's telling me
That's
is
the
that
house I want to buy.
all
when
my
they-
subscribers
when
should be
they move.
called the Corgis because my channel
we're gonna
is
buy
the
it.
Purple
Oh,
Corgis.
what?
Buy that house where Luke had
Yeah.
a play date. Like those people, his friends.
Be nice.
Luke had a play date when they.
At this house?
Yeah.
Nice.
When they moved
Yeah.
away from that house.
Why isn't
That's
it
when
zooming?
I want. That's when we're gonna get it.
It only zooms.
You're messing up your video by only showing your glasses.
Shut up.
Okay,
I
that
can
guy
edit it
crashed.
Ezra is not gonna move.
Why is
Hello.
having lights on?
She likes to suck her thumb.
That is Rachel, and she's 6. Don't judge her.
She's 7.
that's next.
Oh yeah, she's 7. Her birthday was like yesterday.
Luke.
That's a no.
Hi. That is Luke. He wears diapers. Don't judge him. Don't judge him.
No.
Don't judge
No. Don't
Yeah,
judge
exactly.
Luke, but Luke, stop.
Sarah,
Put it out.
Sarah,
No.
show the video to me so I can see if I have a black eye. Why?
No, I don't. No, you don't.
I'm about to, because Luke is smacking that stupid dog.
Noah.
Noah.
I said I
Noah.
don't care if it's an
Noah,
accident.
I
Leave
see
me
like-
straight.
And we just passed it.
No, I just saw.
I saw we
Noah.
Wait,
is it already posted on YouTube?
It's getting too loud.
Noah.
Bye bye.
Posted on
Noah.
YouTube that you're
Noah.
hitting the
Noah.
face.